Yes, sir. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. You right there, all of yous right there, sitting right there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today's gonna be a little different. We're not opening nothing. We're not doing a review. We're not doing none of that. I'm gonna show you guys my gaming setup. It's not fully finished. This has been a long while coming. I've had people ask, well, what are you running? What does your setup look like? Blah, 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 blah. And I know in the videos, I show you guys little bits and pieces of it. But yeah, let's just jump right into it, guys. So walking into the office, you can see to the left right here, have my dinner right there waiting for me because it is dinner time. I just thought I'd stop and do this video. You guys can see the wife's setup. This is all her arts and crafts. She stays pretty organized, but it's a little messy right there on the desk right now. But you can see all her little cute stuff and all her work stuff and all her little knickknacks. So that's her little setup. She don't have nothing too crazy. She just has her monitor there. She plugs her laptop in, has her printer. And like I said, this is mostly her arts and crafts and work table. So then you come over here, you turn to the right. And what do you see? So first off, we'll start with my chair. So, and there probably is a little bit of dog hair. Cameras pick up everything. So here we have my Steelcase Leap V2. This is a refurbished model. Can you guys hear my Yeezy squeaking? If you guys are Yeezy owners, the sandal Yeezy owners, you guys know they squeak and make it sound like you're farting all over the place. So I swear it's my sandals. You guys can see right there, it's my sandals. But this is the remanufactured chair from Crandall. It's a very good chair. I love it. It has the bio knit on it, has the thicker cushion, and it's an awesome chair. And right here, you guys can see this literally just came out. This is the Atlas and Crandall headrest. So yeah, I freaking love it. It's a good chair. It's a really good chair. I added these. These are actually a Loudy. You get these off Amazon. They're memory foam. And they actually help out with the comfort, and it all goes together. So, all right, so coming over here, let's go ahead. We'll turn it on here in a minute. So let me get a little better light. And it's raining, so it's raining outside, you guys can see, and the lighting isn't the best. So, all right, guys, so this is my PC. Now, you know what, let's get over here. So, all right, so you guys can see right here, got the Secret Lab XL desk, got it in white. I like white and black because you guys can see my theme is like Jack the Skellington. Love him. That's me right there. That's my cartoon. If I was a cartoon, that's who I would be. But anyway, so the black and white ties in. I got the white desk because I just love the look of it. I didn't get the felt one. I got the leather, I guess you could say leather, because it wipes off easy and because white's going to get dirty. So, yeah. Over here, I guess I'm rocking the Logitech G Pro. These are the G Pro X. Are these G Pro X? G Pro 2s, G Pro X2s. I don't really use those that much. I use them when I don't want wires in the way or convenience and I want to use wireless. These are my headphones that I use a lot. I use the open back headphones with going into my Scarlett DAC and amp. So yeah, so I use those, and then I have a pair of Sennheiser PC37Xs that I use, but I believe those are put away at the moment. So yeah. And then for my microphone, I think this is just, I want to say, there you go right there. What do you say? How do you say that? Fine. But it's actually a really good microphone. You could use it with the XLR cable, or you could use USB-C. You could plug your headphone into it. It has lights on it, all that good stuff. But I don't use the lights. Like I said, I use it plugged straight into my Scarlett. All right, hold on. Sorry, it's kind of hard to. And of course, you guys can see I got a bunch of stuff thrown on the floor. I got to organize everything. Yeah, that's where you lower. Okay, that's where you lower and higher the desk. What do we got back here? Oh, we have my DJI that I usually record with. I'm using my iPhone 15 right now to record just so I could get this video out to you quicker. I don't want to have to transfer files to my computer, blah, blah, blah. But this is what I usually record with. If you guys see me doing my reviews or videos, this is what I record with. I freaking love this thing. It comes with the little like tripod on it. It comes with the battery handle. And it also has a mic. And the mic, they updated it last couple months and it sounds phenomenal. So that's what I'm recording with, if you guys are ever wondering. For speakers, I am using the Atom Audio D3DVs, I believe. These speakers are badass. They're only like 3.5-inch drivers. They have the AMT tweeters, but on the side right here, they have the radiators. So it allows these speakers to drop very, very low. Like, if you don't know what low means, it's bass low. I mean, that's what it means. So they go low and the bass sounds good, and the highs are very crystal clear because those motion tweeters, I love them. Something about AMT tweeters, I love them. So all right, so right here and for a keyboard, I'm rocking the G715. This is the wireless. I did change the keycaps on some of them to blend in with the black and white theme. Over here I have I use this once in a while. I mainly use this Asus for, and I believe it says right there, this is the Scope 2 wireless. I use that one for like FPS games because I believe the latency on that one when plugged in is a lot better. Plus, can you guys hear? The switches on these are so much better than, and I like typing on this one too. So this is my favorite keyboard. I do have other keyboards. I'm probably a keyboard head. I have like 4 or 5 keyboards. And over here I am rocking I believe this one's the Pro. I can't even see right there. Hold on, let me see. The Superlight 2. I'm sorry, I have so many mice and so much stuff, I get mixed up, guys, so forgive me. Don't sit here and clown me in the comment section because I do know what I'm talking about. But that's the Superlight Pro X2, blah blah blah, whatever. There's so many damn names to this. And then over here we have the Dave. If you guys know what the Dave is, this is the Death Adder V3, which is called Dave. That's more of my ergonomic mouse. I love this mouse. I'd say it's on par. FPS, I use this one for like FPS games, Call of Duty, stuff like that. I use this one more for like different games, single player games, if I use it. And this one, I'll let it, instead of reading it out, this is the Harp Ace. I use this is my all-around mouse. The mouse that gets used the most is the Superlight. I just love it. Just love the way it fits to my hand, my palm, hands, blah blah blah. All right, so controllers. Rock the Xbox controller. Or over here, you guys can see the Vader 4 Pro. Love this dang controller. You can hear it, the clicky. It has the triggers on it. So say you're driving, if you're playing a driver game, you could have, let me show you guys. If you're playing a driver game, you could have it down, so you can press it all the way down. Or if you're playing FPS games, you can press it up and hear the mouse clicks. And you don't have to, how do I say it? The distance is a lot shorter. So yeah, you can customize that. Plus you could twist these and it messes with the resistance of the joysticks. Love, love, love this controller. Alrighty. Oh, how could I forget? So right here, we're rocking the LG GX 950A. This is the 45-inch 5K by 2K OLED monitor. So basically 4K 165 hertz monitor, 45-inch monitor, display port 2.1, HDMI 2.1. Love, love, love that monitor. Got the Govee lights back there. All right, so let's get over here to the PC. So you guys can see, yeah, excuse my little GPU sag bracket right there. So I'm rocking the RTX 5090. It is the Gigabyte Master Ice, and yes, let me see, you guys can't even see. It does have the screen on it in there. I'm gonna customize this part right here. I'm gonna cut it out, that way I could see the screen. so I can see my temps, whatever. Even though the Thermal Grizzly Wire View Pro shows me my temps, and it shows me if my cables are getting hot, or if you guys are rocking a 4090 or 5090, I would recommend you guys get a Thermal Grizzly Wire View Pro. I love that thing. It helps with mounting cables and your voltages and amperage and all that good stuff. So RTX 5090, I'm rocking an Aorus X870E. This is the Elite Ice, and then in there we have a 9800X 3D by AMD Ryzen, cooled by the Fantex M25 Gen 2 360 millimeter cooler. What fans are they? The Lian Li, I want to say these are the Lian Li AL 120s mixed with 120s and 140s, the V2s. And then on the side right there, we just have the Fantex fans exhausting air. Let's see, what else am I rocking? Oh yeah, we got the 32 gigabyte G.Skill DDR5 CL28. Yes, you heard that right, CL28. That's the latency, or the cast latency. CL28, 6000 megahertz. So yeah, those are the Trident Royal Z's. Freaking love those. What else? Got the cable mod cable in there. Can't forget the Thermaltake Tower 600. I did have it standing up, but I felt like it was too tall, and so I went and ordered the stand. And I don't know, I just think it's unique. Tell me in the comment section if you guys think it's unique. Like, it's cool. I have flexibility. I could either have it standing up, or I could either have it on a stand like this. So definitely big case, but it's a big case but compact, I guess. So yeah, but I freaking love my setup. I spent a lot of money on this. Yeah, so all right guys, well I think that's pretty much it, besides my Govee glide lights up there, my little controller. Yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. Let's turn this on real quick. It's gonna get a little loud because, again, iPhones and cell phones pick up noise a lot louder. I think because they have the dynamic capsule microphones in them, or whatever the hell you want to call it. But there you guys go. So there you have it. There's my setup. And again, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Oh yeah. So there it is right there, guys. This is my little corner in the office. Can't say little, because when you back up right here, I have a lot of room. Look at that, my legs. I'm on my chair right now, backed up all the way, and I have a lot of room. So yeah, so for those of you that are interested in the Govee lights, that's what they are up there, the little Govee cubes. Down at the bottom, you guys can see I have all, I don't know why it's not matching my setup. Usually is it sound activated right now? No. So so those are the Govee, I don't even know, they're the Govee lights. I don't even know the name of them, but everything in my house is Govee. Even on the wife, she got Govee wrapped around there. So yeah. So yeah, that's my setup tour. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, just want to give a huge shout out to you guys, my subscribers, for sticking with me, all my day ones, and all my new subscribers, and all my future subscribers. So yeah, share this video, like, subscribe, comment. I didn't tell you guys to do that through the whole video, so now I'm going to tell you again. Like, comment, subscribe. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, live, laugh, love. Live, laugh, love. Never hate on success. We out. Peace. Love you guys. We out.